guys, if you're new to Roblox Studio and you want to make a train game, and introduce, first go on Roblox Studio, which is only available on Windows and Mac. I'm on my Windows computer, that's why I'm not using a screen recorder. So I search for train tracks and I'm just gonna find some train tracks I want, and then you can search for trains. And you can, if it's on some friends, you can search for the trains by their names, full names. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna pause it. Yeah, you see my track is a little off rails. You can do that yourself, but I'll just fix that. Okay, I got that fixed. You can use the duplicate tool to make more tracks. And you see this is a long line of tracks and curves. Well, let's do that. Oh, and how to use the duplicate tool? First tap on it. You'll see these blue lining around it. And then hit duplicate. And then another one pops up. That's how you use it. And I've got the track layout all set up. Alright. If your model is too small and can't fit on the tracks, just hit the scale button. Actually, no, tap on it. Tap on whatever you want it bigger. Then tap on the scale button. Then you can make it bigger. Now it's time for the carts tutorial. It's basically the same thing. Now I've added the train car. Let's test it out. Yeah, I'm building the fun train. That's why Henry's in his old shape. How to test? Oh, just hit play. Okay, starting. Oh, I'm getting all the camera and pointing at this screen. Okay, so Owen's holding the camera, pointing at that. Okay, so Owen's holding the camera. Let us get through. I spawned in a random place. Oops. Henry didn't spawn where I wanted it to be. And Henry didn't spawn where I wanted him to be. I'll fix that. Let me just stop the game, because I want to fix Henry. See, now let's test again. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Let's test again. Base plate by templates. So let's drive Henry. Okay. Why isn't it going out? I picked the wrong Henry. Oh well, I picked the wrong Henry, and so that's probably it. You can find the engine the right size. Probably it for the day. Bye. Probably it for the day. The Henry was too big. I have to choose a new one, but that's really not really another story. And bye.